So hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix black wallpaper bug on iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, after updating to iOS 17, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are facing a bug of black wallpaper, that their wallpapers turn black on their iPhone and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you are one of them and you are also facing this issue, and looking for a fix, so you are in a right video. In this video I'm going to tell you how to solve this. First of all, you have to do is check for software update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17 of Apple often release updates to fix bugs and issues. You have to go to your settings, tap on general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is change the wallpaper. Try changing your wallpaper to a different image or theme. This can sometimes resolve issue related to a specific wallpaper. To do this, simply have to scroll from here and then tap and hold on your screen, and from here you can select any wallpaper. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can help resolve minor issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work and you're still facing the black wallpaper issue, then you have to do is reset all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will not erase your data but will reset all your settings to their default values. To do this, simply have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.